Hello and welcome. My name is Al Hassan. I'm a member in Guarantee Downline Club, shorted as GDLC, since July 23rd, 2021. And if you don't know already this, you get paid $5 as soon as you join as a free and basic member. And you get 50 cents for every other member that you keep, unless you have the money plugin. So the first thing I did was to buy the MPI money plugin so that I can keep every single person that I refer to GDLC, which costs only $20 one-time payment. But you can start completely free, and then it's up to you if you want to buy the MPI later or not. Anyway, let's go to the topic of this right video, which is create a landing page to promote GDLC for free. So step number one of the training that I'm offering for free is to create a landing page where you're going to send your prospects to, and in which you will explain to them what this program is about and how it actually works to make money. Kind of sales page, right? The purpose of using a landing page is that you can share it in all social networks and not being banned. But if you want to share your GDLC affiliate link directly in forums and blogs and everywhere, maybe you can, but it's considered as spam by most of the admins. And Facebook will probably ban your link after 2 or 3 shares, and you will not be able to share it anymore in Facebook groups and Messenger for a long period of time, so be careful. Now you can use any free landing page builder. There are tons of them. Some of them are free and some other are paid. But in this tutorial, I'm going to use the funnel builder that I use personally every day. It's called System.io and it's free forever. So down below this video, click on the first link to create your System.io free account. Now here you are at the System.io homepage. For the purpose of this training, I'm going to enter one of my emails to show you step by step how to create your account. So here enter your email and click on the button Get Started for free. Now it's asking to go to your email inbox to confirm your registration. So let's check our Gmail inbox. Here is the email we have just received. Let's check it out. And then click on the confirmation link. Now it's asking to type a password for our System.io account. I'm going to type a password and then type it again to confirm. And then check the I'm not a robot. Then save it and that's it. Now we are in the dashboard of System.io, where we're going to copy my landing page into this dashboard. You can check here that you have no landing page yet. Now go back to the video and click on the second link. Copy your landing page link. And that's it. The landing page has been loaded now in your new account. Now you can modify it the way you want. Let's modify the link name to GDLC landing page. And then hit the save button. Now let's take a look at our new landing page that we have just created. Here it is, the same as mine with all the text and video and the button. Now let's go back and click on the edit button. Now this is your own landing page. You can modify everything you want. Make sure to change this email to your own email so your sponsored members can contact you if they want any help. And make sure to read carefully this note about countries where GDLC is not supported. Now the only thing that you need to change is the button link. Click on it and go to the left side of the page, delete this link and let's go to your GDLC dashboard to copy your referral link. So let's log in. Here we are at my GDLC dashboard. Let's copy the referral link and paste it in here. And now hit the save button. Now exit. And let's take a look at our new landing page. Here it is. Just hover the mouse over the button. Then you can see the link is changed to your link right here. Now go back and copy your landing page URL. Then paste it in a notepad document or wherever you want and save it so you can share it wherever you can, wherever you want, on Facebook groups, Instagram, blogs, forums, with friends and family if you want. Now for testing purposes, let's copy your landing page link and open it in Incognito tab. So here it is, our new landing page. Now let's click on the button to create an account. You can see that we are taken to GDLC homepage. Let's try to click on sign up. We're taken to the sign up form, and if you look down at the sponsored by, you can see your name right here. So now we are sure that when someone signs up through the referral link, we get the 50 cents. Now we have arrived at the end of step number 1 of the training. I hope you liked it, and I hope to see you in step number 2 of the training, which is how to promote GDLC on Facebook and get 10 sign-ups per day every day for free. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you like the video, and see you soon.